Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce the Xiaomi new product Xiaomi Philips and Mijia Ceiling Lamp. It's a very huge than the Yeelight Ceiling Lamp. Let's see a lens. The lens is 57 and light is also 57. It's a square box. Okay, let's open the box. Let's see the back of the box. Here you can see here is a rate and lumen. Okay, and here has a Philips logo and Mijia logo. It's a corporate product. Okay, let's see what inside of the box. We come for. Okay, we need to be a little careful to pour out the light. This is the inner packaging. It's also a square box. And this is your pipe. This is your life. Okay, this is a round life. And this is a manufacturer, Philips and the Mijia logo. Okay, the menu is Chinese. And here is a Mi Home app. You can download the Mi Home to scale this. Okay, let's start the. Okay, here is a product, and here has a Philips logos in here. Let's see the diameter. The diameter is 50, and in my hand is a controller. This controller is needed to buy separately. It's not in the package. And this is not only a controller. Here has the environmental sensor built in. It can detect your surroundings, temperature, and humidity. Okay, let's open the box. This is a controller. It's also a round. It's very like the lamp. It's like a small lamp. This is the controller manufacturer. And this is your brightness button. This is your temperature color button. Here has the okay. Let's here has a we need to pour it out. This is a silicone cover. The silicone cover. Okay, let's put it back. Next, we need to open the case of the lamp. So we need to like this. First, you can hold here. You can hold here. You can. This is you can hold here. And we need to rotate it like this to open the shear. Then the shear is open. And here has the N wire and I wire, neutral wire, and live wire. And we need to collect this into your home wire. Okay, this is only a demo. Next, let's power it. After we wear it, we need to put your shear back. At your contact direction, we need. Okay, lamp is. Okay, first we need to collect it with the controller. First we need to reset the lamp. And the step is we need to okay, first we need to connect the controller with the lamp. And the first step we need to reset the lamp. Let's reset the lamp. We need to turn off and turn on for 5 times in 3 seconds. So it's needed to very fast. Okay, you can see the light is flashing. Next, we need to put the control these 2 buttons together. Okay, here we can see the LED is flashing. Okay, the LED is stable. Okay, it has light. Here is the brightness. This 2 is the brightness change button. Let's make it darker. And this is the color temperature. This is the cold color button. Is the blue button. And this is the hot. And this is the hot temperature button. Let's change the make it hotter. You can see make it hotter and make it colder. Make it colder and make it darkless. Make it brightless. Okay, this is your controller. And here, this is the turn on and turn off button. We can turn it on, turn it on, turn it off. Okay, let's show on the Mi Home app. Okay, next we need to open the Mi Home app. And we'll click here, 8 device. Let's turn it on, turn the lamp on. 8 manually. This is the list. Let's find. Okay, this is the Philips Yeelight ceiling. We set for. Okay, it's start to scanning. Maybe we need to. Oh, it'll work. It's searching Wi-Fi. This is our home Wi-Fi. Next. Updating Yeelight status. Okay, the lamp is turning hot, and the light is flash. I think it means it has successful. Okay, perfect. Living room. Let's see your panel. This is your. We can click here to turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. And here has a function menu. This is the dimming function. And this is the scenes. Let's see. Okay, this is your TV scenes. And what is your middle line scenes? This is your middle line scenes. And let's see one more. This is your one more. And the brightness. The brightness is a code color. This is a delay off. We can set the dimmer function. And this is your humidity and the temperature. And we need to add a controller. Please, you can click here, and this is a ceiling setting. At the bottom is a remote controller. Collected. Okay. Okay, you can see my room temperature is 30 degrees, and the humidity is 56%. Okay.